Divorced and isolated in the Muslim community. Salam alaikum, sister. Let's talk about the loneliness no one admits. The hardest part of my divorce wasn't losing my husband. It was losing my place. The moment you realize your community sees you differently, as a problem, a threat, a broken project to be pitted. The loneliness you feel in a room full of our own people at the masjid, at the Eid party, is a special kind of hell. The smiles don't reach their eyes. The conversations stop when you walk up. The invitations dry up because you're no longer part of a couple. You are now the awkward variable. The silence that surrounds you in a crowd is deafening. It screams that you don't belong anymore. Does that silence scream for you too? Share this with a friend who feels completely alone, even at the mosque. This isolation is a second divorce. A divorce from the ummah you love, the sisterhood you thought was unconditional. You're invited but not included. You're seen but not truly seen. The whispers, the cautious advice, the well-meaning but soul-crushing, "We should find you someone" comments, they all reinforce one message: you are incomplete. You are a liability to the social order. This isn't paranoia. It's the painful reality of a culture that often values marriage over personhood. Your identity as a divorced woman overshadows everything else. So you put on the mask of the grateful, strong survivor. You smile wider. You volunteer more. You try to prove your worth. And the exhaustion of performing for an audience that has already labeled you is utterly depleting. You starve for real connection, for someone to ask, "How is your heart?" Not, "Have you heard about a potential?" This is a fracture in your third pillar, your circle. A pillar meant to provide shelter now feels like a source of judgment and scrutiny. Without it, you're holding up the weight of your entire life without scaffolding. It's not just lonely, it's structurally dangerous. But here's the truth they don't tell you. Your relationship with the community is a two-way street. You have the right to boundaries. You have the right to rebuild your circle on your terms. The solution isn't just to beg for inclusion where you aren't fully welcomed. The solution is to become a curator of your own support system. This is exactly why the community pillar is a core part of the 10-day mental health boost for divorced Muslim moms. We don't just mourn the loss. We build anew. Inside the guide, you get the boundary blueprint. This is your practical toolkit. You get respectful, firm scripts to deflect harmful comments and unsolicited advice. You learn how to say, "I appreciate your concern, but this is between me and Allah," and change the subject. You get a step-by-step circle audit to identify who drains your energy and who genuinely refills it. Most importantly, you get a realistic, low-pressure plan to find your true tribe. This might mean finding one safe sister online who gets it. It might mean joining a virtual support group for Muslim women. It means building a small, mighty circle of those who see you, not your marital status. Healing in isolation is nearly impossible. Allah created us for community, but that community must be safe.